Hey guys, it's Malcolm and Dan from EPA2 HD, and today we got ourselves another cool LEGO City set. It is the brand new LEGO City Passenger Airplane. This is set 760367.
60367.
Yep, it's recommended ages 7 and up, and it has 913 pieces.
913 pieces.
You see,
It's a lot of pain on your foot.
you see, this set comes with
Keep going.
This set comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You see, this set comes with 9 minifigures.
This set comes with 9 minifigures.
Alright, let's check out the back. This set is cool and it has a ton of play features on the back of the box.
Yeah.
Anyways, let's open this up.
Let's go ahead and open it up.
Yep, so we got bag 5.
5.
Bag 6.
Bag number 6.
Watchings and piece.
Some sort of plate.
Yeah. Bag 2.
Number 2.
Bag 4.
Number 4. Boy, I hope this next one is number 3.
20 pieces.
Wait a minute.
Bag 1.
Uh-oh. We're missing bag 3.
We got some more random pieces. Pieces for a glass. We got a glass cockpit piece.
Nice. Nice.
And bag number 3.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, phew. We did get all the bags. 1,
Here's the
2,
instructions.
3, 4, 5, and 6.
Yep. And here's the instructions.
And an instruction manual. Looks like it's a FedEx envelope. Ooh, wow.
Yeah.
Whoa!
So we got
This is going to take a whole week.
we got an instruction booklet number 1, an instruction booklet number 2, an instruction booklet number 3, an instruction booklet number
That's number 4, 5, and 6 all in one.
Yep. And we also got some stickers.
Awesome.
And of course,
So,
so it
we
comes.
get started.
Yeah.
How long do you think this will take, Beck?
I don't know.
A day, 2 days, 3 days?
3 days.
3 days.
Anyways, we're going to build this set and we'll be back later for the review.
That's right. Don't go changing.
Yep.